Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this overview about how to get certified to become an SAP Certified Application Associate with SAP Business ByDesign. We put the following slides together to give you a quick overview on what you need to prepare to get this certification. Many of you have asked us over the last couple of years, well, is there a kind of stamp of approval that I have all of the required knowledge which it takes to do a good project with SAP Business ByDesign. In the past, there wasn't such a thing, but the more consultants and partners and customers came to me and said, can you introduce something like that? We revisited the situation and said, yes, especially with the content that we have from the open SAP courses, we can do and we can provide such a certification. So the purpose of the certification is basically the equivalent of a driver's license. We are checking out that you have the necessary base knowledge to work in a ByDesign environment, that you are aware of what are the assets that are available, and that you know the required base content. The certification comprises of 80 questions, and you need to pass 61% of these questions. Certification duration is 180 minutes. The certification language is English. And if you want to see some of the examples tried out a little later, click on the Here button. Then you can see sample questions that you will ask. If you try them out, you will see none of these questions are easy. You need to be familiar with the open SAP course content, otherwise no chance to pass this test. The structure is that we pull from the different areas that are also covered in the ByDesign courses, be it the CRM course, be it financials, plus you require knowledge of selected topic of the ByDesign Help Center, which you know there. So if we quickly do a rundown of the different areas, we start off with customer relationship management. You see the course structure, which you know from the Open SAP course. And as one example, here the link to the help documentation on elements of tax determination, which was a part of that course. The same thing for the course on analytics. We just re-recorded that one, the ByDesign 7 course, so please familiarize yourself with the capabilities there, what you can do as a key user, what you can do with all of the different analytical assets that we provide to you, and you find lots of links with relevant information that you should know if you want to pass the certification test. Business ByDesign, project-based services, also one of our very prominent open SAP courses, everything around project management, the selling customer projects aspect, time recording, project procurement, project costing and revenue management were key aspects of that. Familiarize yourself with the principles of the revenue recognition that we have there. And as one example here from the help documentation, maintain employee time types in the application. Next one is financials, a very broad course, obviously, with the monetary value chain, the period end closing, goods receipt, all of the aspects there, and lots of links with individual topics. And last but not least, at least one of my favorite courses, the supply chain management aspects of it, with the supply chain setup, product planning, buying and selling. That was the central part of the course. The product manufacturing, integrated supply chain, and that was the special topic in this course, the sales interfaces and supply chain transparency. You remember that you did there some of the over-the-counter sales scenarios and others. Specific topics here, load leveling, stock transfer, and so on and so on. Please work your way through the content that you can see here. So once you have that knowledge, you can go for the certification. I wish you all the best with the course. I believe that it's really a great opportunity for those of you who made the effort to go through the different courses, that you now also can have a certificate which summarizes what you have already done and what your knowledge is about all of the different contexts. With that, thanks a lot, and I wish you all the best for the certification. Goodbye.